Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix double typing key chatter on your Logitech G512 X 75 keyboard. So the first solution would be the software one. In order to fix this issue using software, we're gonna have to launch the G HUB application on our computer, which is the official software for your Logitech keyboard. It's available on the Logitech website. Download and install it on your computer, then open your keyboard menu, go to devices settings by clicking in the bottom left corner, then go to general and click update right here if this button is colored blue. If it is, then wait until the update is downloaded and installed, and after that restart your computer and check whether this resolved your issue. And if not, we can try to work with the keyboard itself. And in such case, in order to resolve this issue, we simply have to clean the bottoms of our switches from the debris that could have got stuck there. Debris, hair particles, dust, anything. Now, to remove our keycaps and switches, we're gonna have to use these two tools that are available, that come together with the keyboard. We'll start with the keycap grabber. So we just have to basically grab each key from both top and bottom sides, and it's pretty easy. You'll hear a distinctive click once you have grabbed your key. Push your keyboard down and try to carefully pull the keycap, and it will come right out. Then grab your switch grabber. Once again, grab your switch from top and bottom and try to align this grabber so that it sits firmly, and then pushing your keyboard down, pull up the switch grabber. Okay, and carefully remove it. Now we can, once you do all this to all the keys on your keyboard, you can start working with isopropyl alcohol and cotton pads to dip them in it to clean the surface. And also don't forget about compressed air, which you're also gonna need. Now besides, check this feet of your switch. Make sure to clean them too with your isopropyl alcohol, and make sure that they are not bent. Do not carefully bend them. Make sure that these feet face the bottom side of your keyboard while reinserting the switch. Now, in terms of cleaning the device, basically what you have to do is use cotton pads, dip the cotton pad into the isopropyl alcohol and wipe the entire housing of each switch. And once you do that to the entire keyboard, also use compressed air to get rid of the rest of the particles that could have got stuck in there. Once you're finished, to reinsert the switches, once again make sure that these feet face to the bottom of your keyboard. Just place each switch like this, and then push it from both sides like this, and then apply the keycap, now without using tools, just like this. And after that, your issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.